Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the sunny shores of Manavgat, Turkey, to explore the Castival Hotel. This five-star gem has been catching the eye of holidaymakers since 1999, and with its 2012 renovation, it's only gotten better. So grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this place tick. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? The Castival Hotel offers a variety of accommodations that cater to different tastes and needs. While they don't spill all the beans on their room types, we do know that they've got some pretty swanky options. Picture this: you walk into your room, and boom, modern decor hits you right in the face, but in a good way. It's like stepping into a Turkish fusion of comfort and style. Now, let's talk amenities. Every room comes equipped with those little touches that make you feel like royalty. Fluffy bathrobes? Check. Comfy slippers? Double check. It's like they're saying, hey, why don't you just lounge around like you own the place? And for those of you who are suckers for a good view, aren't we all? Some rooms offer a pool view that'll have you doing a double take every morning. But here's the kicker. The prices start at around $108. Now, before you start thinking, that's a steal. Remember that prices can do the cha-cha depending on the season. So if you're planning a trip, it might be worth checking out different dates to snag the best deal. And hey, who doesn't love a good bargain hunt? Alright, let's move on to everyone's favorite topic, food. The Castival Hotel doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. They've got a restaurant that's pulling double duty with both indoor and outdoor seating. So whether you're in the mood for some aircon coolness or want to feel the Mediterranean breeze while you munch, they've got you covered. But wait, there's more. They've also got a bar and a cafe. Now, I don't know about you, but to me that screams options. Fancy a cocktail by the pool? Head to the bar. Craving a quick caffeine fix? The cafe's got your back. And here's a little tidbit that'll make your taste buds dance. Guests have been raving about the meals. We're talking high ratings, folks. It's like the chefs are out there performing culinary magic tricks. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about the entertainment? Well, hold on to your sun hats, because the Castival Hotel has that covered too. They've got live music and evening programs that'll have you tapping your feet and maybe even busting out some moves. Who knows? You might discover your hidden talent as a Turkish dance sensation. Let's splash into the pool scene. Shall we? The Castival Hotel boasts some seriously cool outdoor pools. And when I say cool, I mean it both literally and figuratively. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill pools. Oh no, they've thrown in some water slides for good measure. It's like they're saying, hey, why should kids have all the fun? So whether you're looking to do some leisurely laps or embrace your inner child on the slides, these pools have got you covered. Now, I know some of you beach bums might be wondering, but what about the sand between my toes? Well, here's the scoop. While the Castival Hotel isn't right on the beach, don't let that dampen your spirits. The nearby Kamelya World Beach is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, so you can still get your beach fix without sacrificing all the awesome amenities the hotel has to offer. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but with sand instead of frosting. Alright, let's talk relaxation. Because let's face it, that's what vacations are all about, right? The Castival Hotel has a spa center that's ready to pamper you into oblivion. We're talking massage rooms that'll knead away all your worries, a sauna to sweat out those toxins, and maybe that extra slice of baklava, and a steam bath that'll have you feeling as fresh as a daisy. But wait, there's more. For those of you who like to keep active even on vacation, you overachievers, they've got a gym and fitness facilities. So you can work off that delicious Turkish cuisine and still fit into your swimsuit. It's all about balance, right? Now let's chat about the kiddos. While the Castival Hotel doesn't explicitly mention a kids club, they do seem to cater to families. With those awesome water slides we talked about earlier, I'm willing to bet the little ones won't be complaining of boredom. And hey, sometimes the best kids the club is a pool with some cool slides, am I right? For those of you who like to mix a little business with your pleasure, the Castival Hotel has got you covered. They've got a multifunctional conference hall that's perfect for those corporate retreats, or, let's be honest, that work meeting you're using as an excuse for a Turkish getaway. No judgment here. Now, let's venture beyond the hotel walls, shall we? The Castival Hotel is like the perfect launch pad for exploring Manavgat. Just 8 kilometers from the city center, you're close enough to the action without being smack in the middle of it. And boy, are there some cool attractions nearby. First up, we've got the thematic park zoo. Now, I don't know about you, but the idea of a thematic zoo has got me intrigued. Is it a zoo where all the animals wear costumes? Probably not, but it's fun to imagine. Then there's Kamelya World Beach, which we mentioned earlier. It's the perfect spot to work on your tan, take a dip in the Mediterranean, or just people watch. And if you're more of a local vibe kind of traveler, Hulk Beach might be right up your alley. But here's the real kicker. The Castival Hotel seems to have nailed that sweet spot between relaxation and entertainment. They've got live music that'll have you tapping your feet, evening programs that'll keep you entertained, and a variety of activities that'll make sure you never have a dull moment. Unless, of course, you want a dull moment. In which case, feel free to park yourself by the pool with a good book. No judgment here. Now, let's talk about what makes the Castival Hotel stand out from the crowd. First off, their renovation in 2012 means you're getting a modern experience without sacrificing that classic Turkish charm. It's like they've taken the best of both worlds and mixed them into one delightful cocktail of a hotel. Speaking of cocktails, their bar seems to be a hit with guests. Nothing says vacation quite like sipping on a cool drink while watching the sunset, right? And with their outdoor dining options, you can enjoy your meals al fresco, soaking in that Mediterranean atmosphere. But perhaps the biggest selling point is their attention to detail. From the bathrobes and slippers in every room to the highly rated meals, it seems like the Castival Hotel has really thought about what makes a great stay. It's those little touches that can turn a good vacation into a great one. Now, no hotel is perfect, and the Castival is no exception. Some guests have mentioned noise issues with certain rooms. But hey, when you're offering live music and entertainment, a little noise is bound to happen, right? It's all part of the lively atmosphere. Just think of it as a free concert with your stay. When it comes to accessibility, the Castival Hotel has made efforts to accommodate guests with disabilities. They've got elevators, which is always a plus. However, if you have specific accessibility needs, it might be worth reaching out to the hotel directly to ensure they can meet your requirements. Let's talk numbers for a second. The hotel has been getting some pretty impressive ratings from guests. We're talking 8.4 for cleanliness, which is nothing to sneeze at, pun intended. But the real star of the show, their meals are rocking a 9.2 rating. That's practically a standing ovation in the world of hotel dining. And if you're worried about getting value for your money, fear not. Guests have given the Castival Hotel an 8.6 for value. So you can rest easy knowing that your hard-earned cash is being well spent. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, to be honest, there doesn't seem to be a big one. Sure, there's the occasional noise issue, and it's not right on the beach. But when you weigh that against all the positives, the modern rooms, the great food, the entertainment, the nearby attractions, the Castival Hotel seems to come out on top. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.